Wow. So I have a problem. Passover's in a few hours. I have no shmura matzah. Now, I just ordered shmura matzah on the internet from Rabbi Goodman, but how can it possibly get here in just a few hours? This is a real calamity. I don't know what I'm going to do. What could the rabbi possibly do to get me my shmura matzah?
Oh. Let's see if I can get that matzah to the Willets just before the Passover Seder. Woo! Let me get around that bend. Oh! I'm telling you, Amazon, eat your heart out. We've got here drone matzah delivery. We're coming up the driveway right now. Okay, I think it's landed. Let's check it out.
What's that? How can this be? Is that shmura matzah on the drone? This is incredible. And it's the driveway no less. Oh my God, this is fantastic! Fantastic!